Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw white whiskers on white paper, the whiskers belonging to this cat. Now, the method that I'm going to show you, I'll be using an indenting tool like this one, also known as an embossing tool. In order to get clear, well-defined whiskers like these, you first must create the grooves before you put down any graphite, apart from the basic outline of the cat. So put in the groove nice and slowly, just to get a proper pronounced groove, not too quickly, otherwise it might not be deep enough and it might not show up properly once the graphite is in. Okay, I'll just put in some other whiskers here. I've sped up the video a little bit to do that. I've actually spent more time doing it more carefully. Okay, now I'm putting in some graphite here, quite dark as well. It shows up quite nicely, as you can see. Further along the drawing, I'm just carrying on with the pattern of the cat's coat. One advantage of this method is that you don't need to worry about the whiskers anymore, because the grooves are already in there. You can just carry on putting in the graphite as you need, and the whiskers just show up for themselves. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And there it is, completed with the whiskers showing quite nicely. Okay, thank you very much for watching.